Cash flow story focuses on three critical cash flow measures. We've already learned the most basic cash flow measure. After everything's happened, how much have you borrowed from the bank? 3.2 million. We've also learned what happens when you grow your business. You make gross margin and you need working capital to finance it. In William's case, William was borrowing 41 cents of working capital to make 31 cents of margin. Obviously, volume being bad for cash. The third cash flow measurement is the CEO's measure. The CEO is responsible for the operations, and hence we call it operating cash flow. Operating cash flow is the result of Chapter 1, EBIT, adding back depreciation, EBITDA, and operating cash flow is also the result of your management of your working capital. So in William's case, William has generated 4.6 million EBITDA, assuming no depreciation, and William's working capital has grown. Receivables and inventory grew from 17 million to 22.9, a growth of 5.9 million. Our payables have increased from 4 million to 5.5, giving us an extra 1.5 million help. Overall, William has grown his working capital by 4.4 million. So if you think about it, CEO, you've generated 4.6 million EBITDA. You've borrowed 4.4 million. You're now sitting with only 200,000 operating cash. What happens after operations? You've got to pay your interest. In William's case, 1.3 million. You've got to pay your taxation. In William's case, 1.1 million. William also bought some Chapter 3 fixed assets of $1 million. So William, even though you've made 200,000 operating cash, you've spent a lot of money after operations, ending up borrowing 3.2 million from your bank, which is your net cash flow. Three critical cash flow measures.